today. Good morning. Kind of cloudy. So, yeah. So we're just gonna stay on the ship today. We decided, and because again we brought you Bimini behind us.
Yeah, we're gonna watch the Bucks game probably.
Yep. We're gonna go watch football, lay by the pool all day. They got it on the big screen, and I'm gonna go do my walking tour while she lays out of the pool.
Yeah, and then we got the Diamonds party with the captain, and then we have the steakhouse at 6.
Yep. So fun-filled day.
Yeah.
All right.
Lots of fun.
Yep. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye. I got even with all of them. They were taking all our seats. That is a lot of chocolate. Here we were watching football, but that's a lot of chocolate. Shake it up, Jay. Shake it up.
They do Royal and Carnival.
Every 2 weeks? How do you not?
Are you ready?
Oh, Billy got that shirt on.
Are you retired? Yes.
Okay.
I retired 5 years ago.
Awesome. Awesome.
I know I don't look like it, but I did.
Well, he's retired.
Martini. He's retired. Oh,
Thank you, Jay. You're awesome.
Okay.
Here we are with one of my cop friends.
We got Ryan and Penny
from Philadelphia, right?
Philadelphia.
Notice the shirts.
We're on the Carnival Liberty.
Yeah, they just cheated and won.
Fair and square 4-0, baby. Go
All right, where are we going? Did you get off the ship?
Yes, we went to Bimini. We ate at CJ's Deli, had fried lobster. Highly recommend. Radio Beach. 10 out of 10.
Around on the golf cart?
Yeah, cruised around on the golf cart. Well worth it.
That's what we did.
Nice
Did you go to the South End?
Yes, we
yes,
did.
yep. Radio
Did
Beach.
you see the sunken ship?
Oh, no, we didn't. Oh, shit.
What, 10 out of 10?
Let's
CJ's
go back.
Deli. Let's go back. Let's go. Turn around.
All right. I'm heading to take a shower. See ya. All right, where are we going, kids?
We're not going roadie here. We're at the Captain's Diamond party. We got it. Yay!
All right. We'll see you
We're running
after
late because of
And-
Patrick,
Yep, I had to take a
but
shower.
we made it.
And after
And Wanda
this,
came with us.
it's the steakhouse, baby,
Big
on the
steakhouse.
I'm traveling
casino.
right along the whole cruise with these two. Having the time of my life.
Sorry about your luck.
What?
All right, we got salmon here at the Diamond
Thank
Party.
you, hon. How about the salmon? He wants salmon.
Thank you, Gita.
Not right now.
What was salmon?
No, thank you.
Cheers, Harry. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Way to go, weirdos. Chocolate martini and a cup.
Oh,
It is delicious.
delicious.
What you got there, Gita?
What is that?
What is it? Ah, cool.
Starting off with your entertainment director, it's Rachel. Your services manager, Andres. Housekeeping manager, AJ. Your food and beverage director, it's Robin. And your hotel director, David. And the behalf of ourselves, the Master of the Vessel, and the 1,100 team members working here on board, we just want to say a massive thank you to all of you for always coming back to cruise. Great seeing so many familiar faces. And yeah, keep on cruising, everybody. You're the reason why we love our jobs every single day. So, shall we have a party, everybody?
Here, yeah, you're gonna be on. Look at that. Oh, look at all them desserts. One of them's on fire. No, I'm just kidding. What you got?
Here, it's sweet time.
Good. Babe, you having fun here at the
This
captain's?
is a great
I mean, it's
party.
not the captain's party. It's a diamond party.
But we got to see Adam, and we're going to do a video with Adam because we saw him about 8 years ago on the Paradise. For
Came
the
to my
white
birthday party.
Pat's white party, his and Teresa's birthday party.
Spent an hour with us partying.
That was at your and Teresa's white party. I got
Anyway.
pictures to show it.
He was brand new as a cruise director then, but now he's not brand new anymore.
Cheers.
Cheers. We're going to the steakhouse.
Yeah, here we come, steakhouse. Be ready.
Yum yum. See ya.
Free.
Free. Going, babe.
We're not going. We're already here. We're at the steakhouse because my husband won a lot of money in the casino. So we're at steakhouse.
No.
And wait till you
I
see what I get.
Win a lot of money.
You get a free bottle of wine and free steakhouse.
That's why she loves me.
I love him so much.
Yeah, sure she does. When you get much, ow, just what she wants. I got some kind of bread.
But if you like any wine, just let us know.
Okay. And Terry got the same thing. And we're not sure. That's butter and something else we didn't understand. All right. This is from the chef.
It's a beef slider.
It's like a little
Look how
hamburger.
cute it is. I love this.
I got one too, but I won't eat it because I don't
I'll
eat
get
meat.
it.
I don't eat red meat, so Terry will get them both.
How cute is this?
All right, just got our bottle of wine. I don't drink wine, but we're gonna take this bad boy home. All right, there's Terry's shrimp.
Spring lettuce mix and American captain sauce.
Thank
with lemon
you.
wedge on the side. You're
From
welcome.
my smoked oysters.
Yes, you ready, Patrick?
I'm ready.
All right, be careful, sir.
I
Can
got
move
it.
a
I got
little
you.
too.
I'm good.
Okay.
Patrick,
Your
I got this.
ice smoked fresh oysters served with passion fruit caviar, apple marmalade, and marinade foam. Would you like to have a fresh pepper, or that one is fine with you?
All right, baby, go ahead. Are they good? Yummy, yummy.
Very good. Very good.
Oysters gone. Yum, French
Served
onion
with us
soup
and Gruyere
from
and
Marielle.
fresh bread. Enjoy. Would you like to have a fresh pepper here?
I'm good.
Would you serve Patrick?
There you got the steak. And I got the lamb chops with a baked potato each. All right. All good things got to come to an end.
I'm not ready to go, but we will go in the morning.
Yep. But we got bad news. We're not getting a chocolate martini tonight. We're going with. Look at this ice cream cone she's got. Anyway,
Ice cream is good.
so we had fun. We came out with a profit in the casino, so that's good. Yeah, we did. Yeah, you did.
We did or
I did too.
Okay.
But no chocolate martini tonight. Ice cream. She's got to go to work in the morning.
I do.
So,
Cheers.
next up, same ship, same schedule, same everything.
Cheers.
October 20th. We'll see you then.
Cheers.
Cheers.